In ZooBC, the rewards paid by a block come from two sources. First is the accumulated fees from transactions in the block, and the second is the coin base, which is an amount of new tokens created by the block. We add those two amounts together and split the total block reward to the nodes that are participating in the network. Reward distribution in ZooBC has a different implementation than other blockchains. In ZooBC, block rewards are distributed to many nodes that participate in the network, instead of only being given to the block creator. Block creators who skip their turn will lose participation score and become less likely to win rewards from other blocks. Let's try to see the difference by comparing this with proof of work, where the one who proved to have done the most work, such as finding the right hash, will create the block and receive rewards. In proof of stake, the one who stakes the most tokens will be most likely to create the block and get the reward. At first, this seems fair. Who creates the block gets rewarded. But really, the useful work of a node is not just creating blocks. Every node that is participating is doing useful work. They're validating transactions and blocks and propagating that data through the network, keeping the blockchain decentralized and censorship resistant. If we operate a node in another blockchain, we validate transactions and blocks and propagate data, but we are never rewarded. And this might lead to a very centralized condition, which is a network with only a few nodes that have high computational power or high stake, which take all the rewards. I only need to run a more powerful machine or put more stake to the miner that I run. Else, why would I support the network? That's why in ZooBC, we distribute the rewards to participating nodes instead of the block creator only.